And that's why my father left when I was 3. And my mother never hugged me.
Oh, baby. See, that wasn't so hard.
No, it was. No.
So just know you don't have to be scared to open up and tell me your deepest, darkest secrets.
Alright.
I want you to feel safe with me, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so from now on,
Alright.
I am your safe space. Alright?
Alright, I trust you.
6.5 hours later.
Babes, I come with the thing them.
You get the milk?
Oh crap, you know me that forget something, you know. Listen, here, I just run back real quick
No,
and get it.
no, you see, at this not talk about, at this not talk about, when people talk, you know, listen, when people talk, you know, listen.
I don't know what
Why
all
you
that for, alright, but I just milk, alright? Mr. Make a run back at the store and get it, so calm down, alright? Calm down, you're up on a level 10 right now.
Calm down.
So we can just use the rest of stuff him until...
Calm down. Go tell your father whenever I want you, and your mother
Babes.
whenever I love you.
Babes.
Calm down.
Babes, me tell you that in a confidence, babes. You say it was my safe space.
Fuck your safe space. Go tell your ex-girl when he
but
and
you
you
said-
with your best friend. Please calm
was a
down.
safe space.
Go tell your
But we don't
own
need that.
sister
Right.
when I know the name of the
You said
baby
so.
father.
Yeah,
Please
you
calm
never tell
down.
me that
Go
crap.
tell your brother when secretly gay and I want to come out of the closet. Please calm
Trigger.
down. Well, calm down.